Well, everybody's taking a peek at everything that's flooding up to here in Narrows. It's pretty bad. People just driving stupid though too, trying to get a look at what's going on. The flooding is bad. The campers on the river is overtaken. You know, let's keep these people in our prayers. They said that the flooding like this, you know, doesn't happen like that very often. You know, I've been here a while. I ain't seen, I've been living here a while. I've seen it get high enough to where they've had to move campers out. But man, this is something else. The river is extremely high. I mean, it's high. And we got lucky that our creek didn't come up over the bridge, because it usually does. I mean, this just baffles me that this river's gotten this bad, and then the creek at our house. I mean, it filled up with water, and maybe the only thing that saved it is because our creek was plumb dry. Our creek was plumb dry at the house. I mean, so dry, even the rocks was just starting to turn into powder. That's dry. But, you know, the river's high. When we get up here, you're going to see some more here in Narrows. That was Rich Creek there. And we're in Virginia. That river is high. I mean, that's all I can say is that river is high. And we'll be at the Narrows here in just a few seconds. And I still got some idiot that wants to fly coming up beside me, driving fast. And they probably think I'm some idiot holding my phone filming as I'm driving. I guess it probably goes both ways. So here we are, we're approaching Narrows, which they say got the best, you know, worst of it. And people, it looks like we're getting ready to get some more rain. And I tell you right now, that's the last thing this place needs is more rain. I mean, we needed it, don't get us wrong. But sometimes the abundance is too much of an abundance. Got people up there on the bridge, you know, just the bridge up there, the parking lot's full of people parking up there to get up on this bridge and see the damage that is still being done. The damage is still being done. And you're going to get a taste of it right here in a moment. Like I said, it looks like we're going to get some more rain. I was going to go to West Virginia and I was thinking about going up on Camden and Gully maybe and doing some, but you know, today just don't look like a good day for it. So I'm just turning around and going back to the house. I made it practically to Peterstown and decided to turn around and just go home. I'll have to move over a lane here because well, maybe not. It's just you got cones up here. People's got homes down there. I mean, these people live in their campers, and it's absolutely just, their homes is gone. And I'm trying not to film much of a truck, but their homes is gone. I mean, this is just flooded up bad. And I seen up here a little while ago where they was pulling some stuff up here into a field, trying to pull some out of the water. And right here, you can see they got homes right here pulled up. These are some, I guess, got lucky enough that they was able to pull them up out of the water. But I'm gonna have to go. I don't want to get run over, and I just wanted to share that with you people, what's going on down here in Narrows, Virginia.